Hey guys, Melissa Dunn here with the Melissa Dunn Realty team in Keller Williams. I'm here at 6226 Twin Oaks Circle in the heart of Dallas. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan. It's a split layout and it's ready for you to come put your mark on it. Let's go check it out. This property features the perfect floor plan, tall ceilings and an open kitchen, ready for you to make your mark on it. Thanks for watching. For more information about properties like this or other properties in the DFW Metroplex, don't hesitate to give us a call at the number below. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye guys.